Good evening, traders. Today is April 20th. It is right now around 6:48 p.m. Eastern time, so the markets are closed. After hours is still trading. But what everyone wants to know is, when is the energy and the momentum going to come back into day trading, low float and medium float stocks? The answer to that is no one knows, but if you use what happened today as any indication, it's not looking good. All the indices sold off throughout the day. Dow Jones, SPY, they're both down about 0.75%. The NASDAQ, almost a full percent. Top gainers list, MYMD was the pre-market top gainer, and it really didn't do much at all. It ran up really quickly in the pre-market, then just sold off all the way throughout the day, and is now trading around $5, even though it ran up to $13 in the pre-market. The one-day top gainer, IFBD, this is deceiving. It looks okay because it looks like it went up 50%, but this was an IPO. So this thing hasn't been trading at all until today around 210. This is a new public offering, and it started trading around $7, went up to $11.25, and then immediately sold off, and is now trading around $5. So again, nothing to get to whet our palates or get us excited for what's going on tomorrow. BTX, kind of the same story. This is a lower float stock, around 40 million shares. And it had some nice price action if you were trading off of the 5-minute chart, but it didn't really start doing anything until 1:30, 2 o'clock this afternoon. And maybe if you were lucky, you could have made about 30 cents per share if you're trading off the 5-minute chart. And that's about it there. So, and the after hours is really the last thing we need to look at. 17% on IMXI. Again, nothing to be excited about. And if you look at it on the 1-minute chart, the price action is really pitiful. So there's no volume trading this thing. It's just getting pushed up out of nowhere because it's a lower float stock, and there's not a lot of volume here in the aftermarket. So no indication of any strength being back in the markets for all day today. And if that's any indication of what's going to happen tomorrow, it's going to be more of the same that we've been seeing all throughout April. So either way, no matter what these lists tell you, no matter what other people tell you, if you do decide to take a trade tomorrow, make sure that you have a plan, you have a stop loss in mind when you're entering that trade or before you enter the trade, and you take that stop no matter what, or you honor your profit target if you're lucky enough that the stock goes your way and hits your profit target. Otherwise, you could be in for a world of hurt in the market that we're seeing this month. So always take your stop losses, honor your profit targets, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.